Hey guys, Mr. B again, here for a really quick video for you guys for chemical formulas. We've covered chemical formulas in class, but I just wanted to make this quick video for kids that need a refresher. Chemical formulas are actually pretty easy. Basically all it is counting the number of different types of atoms in a certain molecule. There is a specific way that we're supposed to do it. I didn't tell some of the classes this, I didn't mention it, so I'm glad I can make a video to cover it. When you count the number of each atom, you're going to start with the carbons, then you're going to do the hydrogens, and then you're going to do the other atoms in alphabetical order. Okay? So, just as a refresher, some common chemical formulas that you all know are H2O, which is water. You can see this follows this same formula. It's the hydrogens and then the other atoms in alphabetical order. Another one is CO2, carbon dioxide, which we've talked about in class. So we're going to find the chemical formulas for acetone and methane really quickly here. So for acetone, remember we used acetone to do an acetone combustion reaction in class. Let's start with carbon and count the number of carbons. So we have 1, 2, 3 carbons. So we're going to write C3. Okay, and what's the next on the list? Hydrogen. So let's count the hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write H6 here. And then let's look for the rest of the elements in alphabetical order. There's only one other type in acetone, that's oxygen. So we just have to do 1. We're going to write O1. Okay. So the chemical formula for acetone is C3H6O1. So there you go, pretty simple. Now let's do an even easier one. Let's do methane, which we learned about in class. It's one of the gases that causes climate change. So let's look at our little formula here. Let's start with carbon. We only have 1 carbon, so we're going to write C1. You can also just write C. Some people just prefer just to do the C without the 1 part. That's totally fine. And then next on our list is hydrogen. So let's count the hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 hydrogens. H4. So CH4 is the chemical formula for methane. Okay. And you can just do these same steps for any other molecule that you can find for your simple and complex molecules in Project 3. Let me know if you have any questions. But yeah, chemical formulas are pretty easy and pretty interesting.